Assalamu alaikum. Hope all of you are doing well. Today we are going to learn about make versus do. We use make for new things and do for any task or activity. Let's see some examples. Dash a cake. We don't have a cake. We are going to make a new one. So cake is new. Here we use make. Next one is the dishes. This is an activity, so here we use do the dishes. Third one is blank exercise. Exercise is also an activity, so here we use do exercise. A cup of tea. We are going to make a cup of tea, so it's also a new thing, so here we use make a cup of tea. Dash a sandwich. It's also new, so here we use make a sandwich. Next one is blank a job. A job is a task, so here we use do a job. Next one is dash breakfast. It's also new, so here we use make breakfast. Hope you get it, guys. Thanks for watching.